Here's our failures here. And remember, a failure is not truly failure if you don't learn from that mistake. Was that my 5 minutes? Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you, everybody. Great work. I'm here. And I always want to come back and talk about things such as this. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. That is a very nice piece of advice. I will stress more on working on a roadmap for the continent, but also if we could start like sub-region, country-wise, where this task force could help work with the local institutions like ATU and so on, Smart Africa, to see how we can support those governments to create a roadmap, first of all, at the country level, and then a global roadmap for Africa. This will be something that is also very, very interesting. And then if building this roadmap, we also have like people who can help build the capacity in countries, because one of the things we hear people saying about not deploying IPv6 is the lack of capacity. We all know from experience that this is not true, but if people keep having this advice, then it's we can leverage on that to support, like have a capacity building program to empower engineers on how to securely deploy IPv6, and then that's how maybe even the roadmap that you come up with would now be able to be deployed. So thank you very much for the advice. And I also know that at Afrinic is having a program called the IPv6 Government Accelerator Program. It's a program that is focused more on helping governments to build to deploy IPv6 on the government infrastructure first, because you cannot sell a technology that you yourself are not using. We keep on talking to governments in countries. Let's say in Nigeria, we talk to people to end networks, the small network. You need to deploy IPv6. You need to deploy IPv6. But what happens when these small networks, they look at the government websites, there is no IPv6 on it. They look at the government infrastructure, there is no IPv6 in it. So even for the regulators to become legitimate in selling IPv6, in imposing IPv6 to the rest of the country, first of all, you need the government infrastructure to run on IPv6.